How to buy iTunes gift card online. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily buy the iTunes gift card online. So the first thing you have to do is head over to your web browser and then simply head over to apple.com. Once you open Apple's official website, all you have to do is search for the iTunes gift card. You will find the search icon at the top right. Just tap on it. And once you do that, just go ahead and search for iTunes gift card. Hit enter, and you will see the suggested list for Apple gift card. Now you'll be taken directly to this page. All you have to do here is click on buy. And then on this page, you can have two options. So you could choose to send this via email or a mail as a collectible sticker. So I'm just going to select email. And then from here, you can select the design of the card that you want to send. So this one looks really good. So I'm just going to choose a design. This does not really matter, but what matters is choosing an amount that you want to send. So let's say if you want to send a $50 gift card, choose the amount. And if you want to choose other amount and add a custom amount, you could do that as well. Something like $75. Now here, you're just going to have to add the recipient's name. Once you've done that, just add their address, or if you're sending to yourself, just add your email. And on the sender's name, just enter your name. And then on your email address, you could just enter your email address here. So once you have done that, you can also add a personalized message. So if you want to add a personalized message, all you have to do is just go ahead and click on this personalized message option and send a message which will be sent alongside the gift card. So I'm just gonna write something like enjoy your gift and then tap on save. Now it will show you the final amount. Tap on add to bag. Once that is done, you could check out. So if you click on this checkout option, you have two options. So you can either check out with your Apple account, use Apple Pay to pay for your gift card, or if you continue as guest, you can pay from a debit card, Apple Pay, or PayPal. So this item currently is not eligible for PayPal, but you could easily add your credit card information. So just add your card details, your expiration date, CVV code, and then your billing address. Once all of that is done, click on continue to review and continue with the purchase, and you should be able to send the iTunes gift card to your recipient. That is it for this video, guys. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.